20, is it less than negative 11? Is negative 20 less than negative 11? Remember, negative 20 is farther to the left on the number line than negative 11. Negative 11 is closer to 0. Therefore, negative 20 is less. So this right here is true. This was false. Okay? This was to the left of 7. This was to the right of 7. Okay? So going to the right of 7 made it true. So therefore, bam, all of these solutions, any solution to the left of 7 will satisfy this inequality. Okay? All day long, that's what you're doing. Always check. Let's do one more example. Keeping it simple because you guys, you should be able to do this, especially since we have done so many equations. Okay, and then plus it's a review from when you was in middle school for as in equations. It's the same process. You can do it. Okay, let's do this lovely example. 6 times n minus 8, bring it in that grouping symbol, greater than equals to negative 18. And right here, you should, oh, that's going to be a solid line. So if you want to, you can go down to the bottom of your paper. Well, under, not necessarily the bottom, because your bottom may not be the bottom. Sorry, guys. I have to move it up. So I'm going to go here and put the number line there. And I'll go ahead and put negative 18. And my testing point to the right is going to be 0. I love using 0. And then my testing point to the left, I would say negative 20. And I can't put that far. I'm going to put it closer, negative 20. Yes. So here we go. I could have, it doesn't matter in this case, as far as I'm concerned. Okay, so here we go. I know that on the negative 18, I'm going to have a solid. So I can start my solution. I know it's going to be a solid. Okay. And here, I'm going to start off. I want to get rid of the grouping symbol first. God, you really don't have to get rid of the grouping symbol first. Well, I can do it 2 different ways. Either way, I'm going to get rid of it. I can use distributive property, or I can divide by. And when I said what I meant about you don't have to get rid of the grouping symbol first, I really actually meant you don't have to distribute it. But if I want to, I think I want to divide. So let's look what's going on with the n. First, with the n, we're subtracting 8. Then we're multiplying 6. So in this case, how I'm going to look at this problem is that on both sides, I'm writing both sides so you can know both sides of the inequality. I'm going to add 8, because we subtracted 8 first. Then after we subtract the 8 from n, then we're multiplying by 6. So then I'm going to divide both sides by 6. Okay? And I'm not dividing or multiplying by no negative number. So it's going to stay greater than, but I'm going to check left side and right side. So first of all, and I got this backwards. Did y'all get it? Because listen what I said. I said that first we subtract the 8, then we multiply by 6. So we're supposed to divide by 6, then subtract 8. And you probably said, what do you mean? Think about up here. Go back. This is good. This is good learning process, guys. It's good learning process. Think about it. So if you do what I did here, you can say, wait now. Here we multiply 8 by negative 3. Then we add 10. And we add 10 last. So first we're going to subtract by negative 10 because we're reversing it. We'll go to what we did last. Okay? So let's go and do that. I love it. Okay? So no, let's not do, don't add 8 first. You can't do that. Okay? We're going to divide by 6 first. Then we're going to add 8. And look, you notice I'm using a pencil. We didn't get nervous, be like, oh my gosh, I don't know what we're doing. No, you go back, review, you say, okay, no, let me make some adjustment. That's called learning. So let's divide both sides by 6, and it's positive, so we are not going to do anything with greater than equals 2, but write it just as it is. The 6 divided by 6 is 1, so it cancels. That allow us to get inside the grouping symbol, and the grouping symbol disappear. So we have n minus 8. Then we bring down our negative 18. I'm waiting. I said we bring down our negative 18. Did y'all get it? Okay, let me stop. Let me stop being silly. But focus, guys. Negative 18 divided by 6. Because remember, whatever you do to one side, you do it to the other side, okay? Always remember that whatever you do to one side, do it to the other side. If you divide the left side by 6, divide the right side by 6. If you divide the right side by 6, divide the left side by 6. So negative 18 divided by positive 6 is going to give you a negative 3. A negative divided by positive is a negative. 18 divided by 6 is 3. Okay? Now we divided both sides by 6. Now we're going to add 8. Okay? Well, yes, I'm going to show you how to check, because some of you may be saying, but you divided a negative, but we didn't move it from one side to the other side. It was already on the right-hand side. So here, add 8 to both sides. Okay, no playing around. I'm not going to play with y'all. I'm just going to go and do it this time. Additive first goes to 0. N is greater than or equals to negative 3 plus 8 leaves you with a positive 5. Okay. Yes. And you probably said, well, you put a negative 18 there. Yes, I sure did. Don't you do that. Okay. Don't you do that don't do that because of negative 18. That's what we're trying to see, what is greater than or equals to satisfy that. Don't go down here and do this, okay? Because some of you will, some people in college and everything, they do this. It's like a misconception that you're using negative 18, okay? So you just erase that out. So sometimes you learn from when people do things incorrectly, because you'll be like, that's not correct. You got to wait until you get your solution and you use whatever that number is that comes with your solution. So here we go. Let's put it right here, just like we did the other one. We're going to put 5 here. And since it's equal sign, we're going to make it solid. Okay. I'm going to put 0 to the left, and I'm going to put 10 to the right. Let's check it. Okay, so go back to the original and let's see if 0 will satisfy it, because we're trying to make sure we go to the right. So here we go, 0. 0 minus 8 is negative 8. Negative 8 times a positive 6 is negative 48. Is negative 48 greater than negative 18? Meaning, is negative 48 closer to 0 than negative 18? Absolutely not. That's false. That's false. So I don't shade back there. So let's put substitute 10 in. What's 10 minus 8? 2. 2 times 6, 12. Hold up. Is a positive number greater than a negative number? Here, that's all you need to know. You know positive always is greater than the negative number. So we know we most definitely go to the right. Okay? Because that was true. So we shade to the right. So any answer including 5 would satisfy this equation, right of 5, greater than or equals to 5. Any solution. So n is greater than or equals to 5. Babies, that's it. Stop, rewind the tape. Watch out for me trying to make sure you're focused by purposely doing things incorrectly, so that you can really pay attention, guys, so you can really learn. See you guys. Have a great day.